We are now going to torture test one of the most hated guns on the internet. This gun I'm holding here, the RP9, we're going to put in the water, we're going to throw in sand. This is the Remington RP9. It's a 9mm handgun. Remington made it several years ago and then stopped making it. Most people hate this gun. I think I'm the only person in the world who likes it. I bought 3 of these. I love them. I've carried it before. Like I said, I've got 3. I like the trigger pull. For whatever reason, the trigger pull's nice. I like Walther trigger pulls also. Anyways, but for many people, this is the red-headed stepchild of guns. This is the Rodney Dangerfield of guns. It gets no respect. So, like I said, this is a gun that I use around the house and like, and it's been cleaned, and now I'm going to get it disgustingly dirty. My poor Remington RP9. So let me do this. Let me throw this here. The very first, well, first I'm going to show you it works. Very first thing I'm going to do is simply fire it so you can see that it is not a dud of a gun. So we'll do that. Well, we'll do it right here into the sand. So I'm going to go. I've got my eyes. I've got my ears. Let me know when you're good, camera.
Good.
Good. Okay, here we go. There we go. See that big hole we just kicked up? We know our Remington RP9 works, so it's good. Now what we're gonna do is a very simple. I'm gonna go in this creek here a little bit. Hold on. You know what? We're gonna get. Yeah, we'll go creative. We'll go right here. This will allow me to put it all the way into water. Okay. So let me know when you're good, camera.
Good.
Okay, all the way fully submerged Remington RP9. Uh-oh. Is that all it took? It looks like there's already some sand and grit in there. It's not cycling very well. Oh my gosh, my beloved RP9. Now, hold on. Well, this may turn out to be the world's shortest torture test ever. Goodness gracious. I've used this gun a ton. Hold on. Oh, I think it might be locked up with that little bit of sand. When I put it underwater, I saw the bubbles. I saw a bit of sand going in. Hold on, I want to get this ammo back. I don't want to lose that. This is super seriously disappointing. Now all the haters on YouTube are gonna send me hate mail, which is fine. I don't mind. I don't read it anyways. Yeah, it's locked up good. It's locked up real good. Push it good, push it real good. Okay. My poor Remington RP9. Let's see. We'll swish it around to attempt to get that sand out of there, which I think I just put in more sand in the one part. Mark this down as the worst torture test in the history of torture tests, and also the shortest torture test. So obviously, now I have to rethink my love of the Remington RP9, because if you put any other gun down there, i.e. a Glock or a Sig Sauer or a Springfield, it should keep rocking and rolling. Yeah, we are locked up here. I want to get this out. I'm gonna have to get pop in a vise or something, or get somebody who's a lot more Hercules. All right, I'm gonna keep working on it. Dang it. Here's what we're gonna do. My cameraman thinks he's stronger than me, and probably is stronger than me. Maybe we'll see if he's able to undo this, because I want to continue this torture test. I want to give away. Yeah, so just give me a second. We're gonna come right back and see if we can do it. All right, well, apparently my camera crew is not Hercules. They're as weak as I am. None of us can get it. We're gonna have to go back and get some tools. But obviously, I am gonna rethink my use of the Remington RP9. Because I train with this. We got our 320-acre Spy Ranch out in Utah. People have used this all the time. I train them all the time. No issues. But this is probably all she wrote. So there you go. Now I'm a converted man. I love this thing. Didn't work, failed my torture test, got a little bit of sand in it. We'll go home and fix it. So it is what it is. Now we gotta hike back with my crappy, messed up Remington RP9. But of course, I've got backups to the backups. I always got 2 guns in me. Okay, I'm former CIA officer Jason Hanson. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. And I guess don't get your Remington RP9 in the water in sand.